Welcome to Aster Stream EMS, the intelligent energy and ESG management platform by Aster Stream Tech Pte. Limited. The main dashboard gives you an at-a-glance view of your total energy consumption year-to-date, energy costs in Singapore dollars, total GHG emissions, and available carbon credits. Below, you can see Scope 1, 2, and 3 emission summaries, along with monthly energy consumption charts and GHG breakdown by scope. Under the Energy Management module, the Energy Readings page records all meter data for the past 30 days. You can filter by facility, energy type, and custom date ranges. The system supports CSV import and export, and displays kilowatt-hour electricity consumption, cubic meters of natural gas, total cost in SGD, and total records count. Click Add Reading to manually enter meter data, or import CSV for bulk uploads. The real-time energy monitoring screen provides live power demand data across all facilities, including Jurong Plant 1 Ethylene Unit, Jurong Plant 2 Polymer Unit, Utilities Center, and the Administration Building. The 24-hour load profile chart shows your current demand curve throughout the day. On the right, the Anomaly Alerts panel highlights critical issues, such as demand spikes, chiller efficiency drops, and meter communication failures, with severity labels, high, medium, and info. The Energy Analysis page displays monthly energy consumption by type, electricity in kilowatt-hours and natural gas in cubic meters, over the last 12 months. The donut chart on the right shows your energy mix breakdown across electricity, gas, water, and steam. Below the charts, you will find key performance indicators including energy intensity in kilowatt-hours per square meter, peak demand in kilowatts, and power factor. The Meters and IoT Devices page shows all registered energy meters in the system. Currently there are 5 total meters, 4 IoT connected and 1 manual. The meter registry table lists each meter with its code, name, type, facility assignment, location, unit, multiplier, IoT live status, and last calibration date. You can add new meters or connect IoT devices directly from this page using the Add Meter and Connect IoT buttons. Moving to carbon accounting, the GHG emissions page displays your Scope 1 direct emissions from combustion, refrigerants, and vehicles, Scope 2 indirect emissions from purchased electricity and heat, and Scope 3 value chain emissions including supply chain, logistics, and waste. The system uses the GHG protocol methodology with Singapore EMA-grade emission factors. You can add individual records or import bulk data, and view everything in the carbon dashboard. The Emission Factors library contains standardized carbon conversion factors from authoritative sources, IPCC, DEFRA, the US EPA, the International Energy Agency, and EMA Singapore. Factors cover transport, electricity, steam, waste, water treatment, mobile combustion, and refrigerants. The Singapore Grade Electricity 2024 factor is 0.395 kg CO2e per kilowatt-hour. You can also add custom factors specific to your operations using the Add Custom Factor button. The carbon credits inventory tracks your full portfolio of voluntary carbon offsets. Currently the system shows 13,500 available TCO2e, 4,500 retired, and an estimated portfolio value of SGD 445,750. Each credit is listed with its serial number, registry, Verra or Gold Standard Foundation, project name, country, vintage year, type, market, total and available tons, retirement status, price per ton in SGD, and purchase date. The Carbon Credit Portfolio page provides visual analytics, a donut chart showing allocation by registry, and a bar chart showing available credits by project type. Key metrics include 13,500 available TCO2e, 1,500 retired, 3 active holdings, and a 10% retirement rate. This helps sustainability teams track progress toward offset targets and manage credit retirement scheduling. The Net Zero Planning module starts with target setting. Aster Stream EMS supports Science-Based Targets Initiative alignment. The JCI near-term 2030 target shows a 42% reduction target from a 2022 baseline of 52,000 TCO2e, with current emissions at 46,296 TCO2e and overall progress at 34%. The JCI Net Zero 2050 absolute target requires 100% reduction to reach net zero, currently at 37% progress. Both targets are SBT aligned and active. The reduction projects page tracks all decarbonization initiatives. Currently there is one completed project achieving 175 TCO2e, 2 in progress targeting 670 TCO2e, and 2 in planning with 3,700 TCO2e estimated reduction potential. Total investment is SGD 17 million with projected savings of SGD 1.7 million. Project types include fuel switching, process improvements, energy saving, and renewable energy, all tracked with estimated versus actual impact. The Net Zero Pathway chart visualizes the full decarbonization trajectory from baseline year 2022 to 2050. The dashed line shows the required net zero trajectory, while the shaded area tracks actual and forecast emissions. This allows management to immediately see if the company is on track, ahead of, or behind its science-based decarbonization pathway. The export button lets you download this chart for board reports and investor disclosures. The ESG Management module begins with KPI tracking. For the 2026 reporting year, you can define and monitor KPIs across 3 pillars: environmental, social, and governance. Each KPI has a code, name, category, reporting framework alignment, such as GRI or TCFD, baseline, target, actual value, unit, progress percentage, and status. Click at KPI to create new indicators. Use the dashboard and reports buttons for summary views. The ESG dashboard displays your overall ESG score out of 100, plus individual scores for environmental, social, and governance pillars. The ESG radar score triangle chart visualizes performance across all 3 dimensions simultaneously. The KPI status distribution donut chart and status summary panel show how many KPIs are achieved, on track, at risk, off track, or not started. This gives sustainability teams a real-time snapshot of ESG performance against targets. The ESG report library manages all sustainability disclosures. The system supports GRI Global Reporting Initiative, TCFD Climate-Related Financial Disclosures, ISSB International Sustainability Standards, CDP Carbon Disclosure Project, SASB, and GRESB frameworks. Reports are listed with name, framework, type, year, reporting period, publication date, submitted to organization, and third-party verifier. The JCI Sustainability Report 2023 was published and verified by KPMG Singapore, submitted to SGX. Click Create Report to start a new disclosure. The Supply Chain module manages Scope 3 upstream emissions through supplier engagement. The supplier registry lists all vendors with their code, name, country, industry, tier classification, Tier 1 or Tier 2, ESG score, carbon disclosure status, CDP disclosed, partial, or not disclosed, last audit date, and active status. Tier 1 suppliers include Air Products Singapore, Chevron Phillips, Indorama Ventures, and Shell Singapore. Click at Supplier or navigate to Scope 3 emissions for detailed analysis. The Scope 3 supply chain emissions page tracks total Scope 3 TCO2e, number of active categories, and measured entries. The chart on the left breaks down emissions by Scope 3 category, such as purchased goods, transportation, waste, and business travel. The data quality panel on the right monitors the completeness and accuracy of supplier-reported data. This module ensures comprehensive value chain emissions disclosure as required by GRI and CDP frameworks. Finally, the Assets and AI module includes facilities management. Currently 4 active facilities are registered with a total floor area of 94,500 square meters across 3 facility types. The facility registry lists the Administration Building, Jurong Plant 1 Ethylene Unit, Jurong Plant 2 Polymer Unit, and Utilities Center, all located in Singapore on Jurong Island. Each facility shows its type, address, floor area, operating hours, industry classification, and active status. This completes our walkthrough of the Aster Stream EMS platform. Thank you for watching.